T. Sarveshwar Rao of Class 8 from St. John's English Medium High School, Vijayawada. And now I would like to elucidate on the topic global warming and its impacts. First, let us all learn about what is global warming. Global warming. It is the rapid increase of temperature on the Earth's surface due to the fossil fuels burning by the people. Now let us learn what are its impacts. Mainly, the global warming impacts on the climate due to the rising of temperature, water shortages, droughts, weeds and pest invasions, salt invasions, etc. Now let's see how the global warming affects on the plants and animals. Over the plants. First, it mainly grows allergens and noxious plants. It even leads to more CO2 in the atmosphere, and this helps in the growing of more plants. This even leads to more hot climate in the temperature, and the plants may not live. Now let us learn the effects over animals and humans. Humans and wildlife animals may lead more challenges. The houses they build may get damaged, and many water shortages, drought and rising of temperatures may occur, and they may even not sacrifice, and they will sacrifice their lives, and they cannot live for more further. Now let us learn few measures which are to be prevented by everyone, and these are used to prevent global warming. The measures are: prevent more, recycle more, plant more trees, drive less, use energy efficient devices, and even you should spread this more. Switch to renewable devices, and you should even turn off all the electric devices. So these are the few features which are to be followed by everyone to prevent global warming. Thank you.